Hello friends, welcome to CyberCAD Solutions. In this session, I would like to explain how to use undo command in our AutoLISP programs. We all know that undo command can be used in different ways. If you want to undo a set of operations in a single command, undo, so that can be done using undo begin and undo end. Let me show you with an example. Let us say I want to change the color of odd numbers to red color. Say I have changed to 1 and then 5 and then 3 and then again to 7. Now if we want to revert back, if we want to change the color back to normal, we have to say undo command for 4 times. Say undo once, twice, thrice and then 4 times. If you observe, the change property command has been undone for 4 times. So the same thing can be done with a single undo. Let me show you that one. Take undo command, and here if you observe, begin option is there. If you begin an undo operation, then it will keep on counting from there. It's a kind of marking there that I am going to do certain set of operations. So now I am going to do the same thing. I am changing the color of odd numbers like this one by one. Okay, so it's been finished. Now if we set undo to end, means if you observe here in undo command we have end option. If we end this, so these are all the color change operations are set as a single set of operations. So if you want to undo all these color changes, simply say U and press enter. You can see group of chprof has been undone in a single operation. chprof for 4 times it has been undone. The same advantage we can take in our AutoLISP programs also. So how do we do that one? I have written a small program here to select text entities and change if they are divided with 2 and got remainder 1, which means like if they are odd numbers, change their color to 1. That is the program. Here we are selecting entities and taking the length of the entities and passing through each entity, taking its text value and converting to number, and if it is not 0, means if it is a number, divide it with 2, and if the remainder is equal to 1, then change its color. Now I'm trying to load this program and using the command 1 to change the color of odd numbers to red. Let us go to AutoCAD and take 1 and select these numbers, press enter. So now the odd numbers color has been changed. If you want to undo, you have to undo one by one using undo command. Say undo first time, second time, third time, fourth time. So we took 4 attempts to undo these changes, but the same can be done in single operation by using undo command in our program. So how do we do that one? Before we are going to change the color, we will write here like this: command undo begin. So the same command at the end of this operation, if you set this to end, means all the operations within this begin and end will be treated as a single operation. So when you use undo, automatically all the changes that are done inside this program using command method will be undone in a single command operation. So let me load this once again. Now let us see. I am taking command 1 and selecting all these numbers. See, all are changed to red color. Now if I want to undo this with a single attempt, simply type U and press enter. All are completely restored back, and if you observe at the command prompt, you can see Lisp expression has been undone for 4 times. So in a similar way we use in AutoCAD, the same thing can be done in AutoLISP also, using our undo command begin at the start of the program and undo command end at the end of the program, so that all the command methods which are used inside this begin and end will be treated as a single set, and when you use undo command, all those will be undone in a single command. So this is how we use undo in our AutoLISP programs. Friends, hope you understood how to use undo in AutoLISP programs. Friends, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching and welcome to the next session.